Hey guys, okay, so this is going to be a really short and easy video, and I'm going to show you how to make stickers. So the first thing I did was open Cricut Design Space, and these stickers were already stickers, like I uploaded them as stickers. And I'm also going to show you how to make stickers with the images you want to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is create the template that I'm going to place the stickers on so I can get the correct size. This one, like I said, I downloaded off of a site, so they're already in the sticker mode type thing. And this one is something I uploaded. And all you do is you click on offset and you just kind of play with the measurements to get the measurements you want. And you click on apply. And then it defaults to black. And I'm going to change it to white. And so once you can go ahead and you can do that. And then I'm going to select both of them and hit flatten. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing here. I'm going to click on offset and just kind of play around with the dimensions until it's what I want. And once I'm done, you can change the color. You can do pink, you can do black, whatever colors you want. I'm going to again do white, and then you're going to click on flatten. And we're going to do the exact same thing with the other one. And that's all you do. So it's really, really, really easy. And it's a lot of fun to make stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Make It. And then something else that I like to do is if you want to have the best ink quality when you print, I like to go into the printer preferences and just change it to the best. And then when it prints the best ink, you get the, it looks the best. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Okay, so I just finished arranging it on the paper that the size paper I want to use. And then you don't have to print that paper. You're just using it as a template. So you want to not print that. But let's go ahead and hit Make It. Then you're going to click Continue. Then you're going to select Printer. And I'm going to leave the bleed on. And let me show you what I did to change the preferences. You just type in printer in the start field and you go to devices and printers. You select the printer that you're going to use and you go to printing preferences. And then you click on page layout and I just changed it to the best. And you click apply and OK. And you just go back to Cricut and you just hit print. And I printed it to my color Brother. And I placed the Cricut sticker paper face down, that being the white side down. But it's different for all printers, so you'll need to check that with yours. Now I'm going to place the Cricut sticker paper onto the Cricut mat. You just want to make sure it's secure. So if your mat's not sticky, you can use a little tape on the sides. Then you'll go back into Cricut Design Space and select printable sticker paper. And now we're ready to load the mat onto the Cricut. And we'll go ahead and press the flashing arrow button. And then we'll go ahead and press the Cricut or the play button depending on which unit you have. And as you can see while it's cutting, you can see where you did the offset, like the little layer behind it, the offset. You can see how the Cricut machine knows to just cut that area so it's not cutting inside the sticker. So that's pretty cool. And once it's done cutting, you'll go ahead and unload the mat. And you'll want to turn your mat upside down. And I find that that's easier to peel the paper off of the mat. And now we are ready to peel the sticker off and apply it to wherever you would like to apply it, which I'm actually going to use it today on a birthday card. So you'll just go ahead and apply the sticker, and I think it's so adorable. They're so easy to make, and you can really do them in any kind of style, any picture. And so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and thanks for watching, you guys.